Exercise 8C, the first question here then, we've got that the mean is equal to 20 as our null hypothesis, and the alternative is that the mean is greater than 20. And we're doing a 5% test. So already we're sort of thinking, right, 5% test, so that means the probability of our type 1 error is 5%, and that means that the size of our test is 5% as well. All these things mean exactly the same. But under H0, the mean is normally distributed, not the mean, X is normally distributed with a mean of 20, and we're told that the variance is 3 squared. We're doing a sample of 25 of them, and the sample mean will be normally distributed with the mean of 20, and the variance gets 25 times smaller. And it's asked us to find out the critical value for this test, so we're going to go that the mean is greater than. Let's find out. So normal distribution, greater than, I'm starting at 20. What's my standard deviation? The standard deviation is 3 divided by the square root of 25, clearly 0.6, and our mean is 20. That should give 0.5. It does, everything's working. We don't want this, we want to be 5% bigger than that. 5% there gives us 20.986. 20.986 is my critical value. My critical region is that the sample mean will be greater than 20.896. So think, if the mean is bigger than that, we would reject H0, and so this is a chance of the 5%. The type 1 error is 5%. Now a type 2 error is not rejecting it, so X is less than 20.986, given that the mean did turn out to be something else. Now they tell us here the mean turned out to be 20.8. And so the probability of that happening is, we'll just go back a page here and we can do it all. So just going to change this to a less than, and the mean was actually 20.8. So a type 2 error is 0.6222. That isn't what the question asks. The question asks for the power. Now the power of the test is the probability of rejecting it. So back to this one here. So rejecting it is bigger than 20.986, given that it was wrong and given that the mean was 20.8. So that's the exact opposite we've just done here. So it is just 1 minus that. So it's 0.3778. Or if you want to do it on the calculator, we just change this to a greater than, because when it's greater than that value, we know we're going to reject. And the thing is, this is right. We wanted to reject it. And so the size of this test is 0.377. What does it look like? It is actually 3777. So the rounding error there.